Look at this, Leona.
What?
She's
Well,
playing.
no, I catch a little, so.
No, she's playing.
She loves my boots. That is funny.
Let's see.
Do you have a foot fetish or a shoe fetish, Misty?
I was going to say, maybe it's because the dog, but I put him in the closet so the dog can't get to him. Cause...
Uh-oh. Can you ready to pounce? You don't want catnip on it?
They've been in the window. They've been in the closet.
She's really acting,
She loves them, yeah.
I hate these things.
What? What the heck are you eating them for?
It's because I like it.
Uh-huh.
Hey, look at Danielle, I'm not getting the crescent rolls today.
Okay, just don't burn them this time.
Oh, will you leave me alone?
Every time.
Honey,
What's the matter? What?
it's starting to snow.
Yeah, I noticed
Is
that
it?
earlier when I put the dogs
It
out.
is? Oh, I said only a little bit last night.
Hey, Ma, I don't want your butt in the video.
And why not?
I'm good.
I'm good.